Everyone yells. Surprise. Marco's mouth.
Hands.
Open. Mom jumps up and gives him a hug.
Okay.
Had a party for
our
spelling bee.
Champion. Okay, the champion, the one who won the gold medal, is a champion. Okay.
Jordan laughing. Oh, Marcos, you should see your face. And
Camina,
I am so proud of my
nephew. Okay, the aunt and call him nephew. Okay, the brother's kids call him nephew. Okay, so, not a brother, sister, siblings, kids. The boy. Okay, nephew. Okay. Let's name this word. What's that?
Metal.
Good.
Metal.
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 Okay.
Metal.
Metal.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Nephew.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Okay, can I spell?
Nephew. Nephew. A son of
One's
brother, sister, brother,
in-law,
or
sister-in-law. Okay.
Nephew.
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 Nephew. Nephew. Nephew.
Nephew.
Nephew.
Okay, can I spell?
Nephew. Nephew.
Nephew.
Nephew.
Okay, the aunt call him nephew, call Marcus and Jordan nephew. Okay, I'm so proud of my
Nephew. You
deserve. You're supposed to get it, or you should get it.
A big party. She winks. I cannot believe I almost gave it away then
Wow.
when I called earlier.
Okay, once they are in the car, right? Almost say it out.
Dad, Marcos, hi, you surprised Marcos.
Totally means completely.
Totally.
Yeah, completely. Totally. Completely. Okay. Yeah, what's that?
Matthew.
Good.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Nephew.
PH. You.
Nephew.
Matthew.
Few.
Nephew.
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 Nephew. Nephew.
Look.
Okay, nephew. Okay.
Look.
Totally. Okay.
Totally.
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 Add. Okay.
Totally.
Okay, totally. Okay, let's
Completely. Or
entirely. Okay.
Totally.
Okay, can I spell?
Totally. Totally.
Okay, she said totally. So, Max, are you surprised? Marcus said totally. Means I'm completely surprised. or I'm totally surprised.
Totally. This is an
Awesome. Okay.
awesome.
Okay. Awesome is good. Okay.
What is the play about? A boy thinks that everyone has forgotten about his birthday until his family throws him a surprise party.
Okay.
A boy doesn't want to go to an unfamiliar pizza parlor,
pizza store. Okay.
but he is a
Pleasantly.
pleasantly
Happily. Okay. Pleasantly.
surprised by how tasty the food is. The boy is sad and to miss the spelling bee because of a family celebration
Good.
at a pizza parlor.
Okay.
A family plans a surprise party for their son to celebrate his spelling bee
Victory.
victory.
Okay. Do you know which one?
A family
Plans.
a surprise party for their son to celebrate his spelling bee
Victory.
victory
Okay.
summit.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Look at the cover page. Okay.
What does the description of the pizza parlor do? Dining room tell you about Happy Pizza? It is just a simple, ordinary
Good.
restaurant.
Okay.
Marcos family lives far from the restaurant.
Families.
Often go to the restaurant for fancy celebrations.
Good.
The owner
Yeah. Owners. The owner of that
Own-
store. Owners.
De-
Decorate.
decorated the restaurant themselves.
Okay, let's read it. Okay. I think the description. Where is the description? Okay, here is the description. It didn't highlight it. Anyway.
Seen to a pizza parlor. The living room. The dining
Good.
room is small. The wallpaper is peeling and places there are few baked potatoes,
Posters.
hanging on a wall. The floor
Tiles.
are clean, but
Warm. Okay, it's old. Okay. kind of more. Okay, so what did you see? Okay, let's read it.
What does the description of the pizza parlor dining room tell you about Happy Pizza?
Okay, so which one?
It is just a simple, ordinary restaurant.
Okay.
Submit.
Yeah.
Submit.
Okay. Oh, so here.
Based on the dialogue.
Good.
How does Marcos likely feel on the drive
On the
to
way.
Happy Pizza? Excited, disappointed, angry, hungry,
Honored. Do you know which one?
disappointed.
Okay, you still remember. Okay. Yeah.
Submit.
Good. Very good. Good. Okay. Okay.
Why might the other have included these stage directions?
Okay, let's read it.
Mom talking over her in a loud voice.
Okay. The Aunt Carmina says something. Heard through the speaker. Hi, I was just wondering if I should. Then before she continues, okay, mom says to talk over her, okay, so make sure other people don't hear her, okay, in a loud voice.
Mom quickly adds the cup and throws up her hands. Dad laughs and rolls his eyes
Okay, so why they do that?
to show that Mom and Dad don't usually get along with Aunt
Camina.
to show that Mom and Dad are people who get
Easily.
annoyed.
Okay.
To show that Mom and Dad are upset that Marcos has figured out the surprise.
Okay.
To show that Mom and Dad are trying to hide something from Marcos.
Okay, so which one?
This one.
Okay. Okay, select them submit. Okay.
Submit.
Yeah. Okay.
Why is Marco confused?
Okay.
How did he know my name?
Do you want to finish this part?
No.
Yeah, let's finish it.
Ooh.
Okay.
He doesn't know why everyone is drinking water. He has never seen Travis before, but
Travis.
knows his name. He doesn't understand why Travis asks what he wants to drink. He doesn't understand why it is taking so long and to order
Okay, so which one?
this one.
Okay,
Some
okay. Oh, good.